When the seam never turns to a handy position, the robot welds vertical or overhead at an awkward reach. Spatter, slag, and cycle time all suffer. Vertical and overhead positions mean lower first pass yield and rework. Bring the seam down to the flat position and the bead is steady, spatter drops, and speed rises. A two-axis positioner means 2 degrees of freedom, rotation plus tilt. EVST brings any seam to the flat gravity position at any angle. Rotation handles the circumferential seam. Tilt levels slanted and vertical faces, and the two axes move in sync with the robot to weld through in one setup. How to choose. First, does the seam run around the part? Do you need rotation? Second, are there slanted or vertical faces? Do you need tilt? Need both? Go two-axis L-type. The same rotation plus tilt best angle logic fits construction machinery, vehicle chassis, steel structures, agricultural machinery, and pressure vessels alike. With the seam at the flat position, first pass yield goes up, spatter and rework go down, and the robot's cycle time gets steadier. Want every seam at its optimal angle? Talk to us about two-axis positioners.